Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Mabel. I'm here to show you two separate methods to DIY carrot oil. First, I'm going to start by grating the carrot as shown. Then I'm going to split it into two separate plates as shown. One is going to be for the double boiler and the other one I'm going to dry. So the one I'm going to use for the double boiler is the one in the bowl. So I'm going to be using olive oil in this tutorial. You can use any carrier oil of your choice. The one shown is the coconut oil, then the other one is the olive oil, which I'm going to be using. So I'm going to put the olive oil in the inside the carrot as shown. Try to put a little quantity of the olive oil inside the carrot for you to get a more concentrated carrot oil, and stir at interval. You can leave it on for 30 to approximately an hour for the carrot oil to be properly absorbed inside the carrier oil. Carrot oil is an excellent source of vitamin A, E, C and beta carotene. It also contains antiviral, antiseptic and antioxidant property, which are very beneficial in treating various skin conditions such as acne, eczema, rashes, fine lines, wrinkle. Carrot oil is very good for people with dry skin. It is also used to improve hair growth. So after an hour you can then turn it in a sieve to extract the oil as shown. Then you also try to squeeze by pressing the juice gently to extract the oil. As you do this, some of the juice from the carrot will also be in the oil. Transfer the sieve to another clean bowl and leave the extracted oil to settle down for 15 to 20 minutes. Then the juice, which is the liquid, will go down while the oil will be on above. So the next step now is to squeeze the juice from the carrot residue as shown. This juice, you can also leave it a bit so you can scoop some of the oil at the top of the water with a spoon and add it into the extracted oil. The water, you can use it on your hair, spray it on you, put it in a clean container and spray it on your hair. So I'm going to pour the extracted oil in a clean empty container. Ensure the container is properly clean and sterilized. That is the extracted oil. So I'm going to take a spoon to scoop out some of the oil above gently, because underneath it is water, the juice, the carrot juice. So you can use the carrot oil on your body. It helps to revitalize the skin and also to tone the skin. Then that is the oil, and this is the juice. You can add the carrot residue into your garden as shown. You can also add a few drops inside your food as shown. It helps to get rid of toxic substance from the stomach and also helps to treat a lot of sickness. And the second method is the dry carrot. You put it in a clean bowl and add the carrier oil, which in this case is the olive oil, and you leave it for 3 to 7 days to soak properly, and you sieve it to get your extracted carrot oil. Thank you for watching. Bye.